Say hello. Hi world. It's Lisa and Levi. We are here to open the May 2024 CatLadyBox. So, Levi, come here. Come here, baby. I'm sorry. I'm getting myself all together. Trying to get Levi in the show. All right, forget about him. This is a monthly box. The theme for this month is all about us cat moms. And I did look at everything and it's an adorable box. I'm gonna put on the screen the 20% off code if you order the box. And I think you should. I don't get any money. It's just my recommendation because if you're a cat lover, I think you'll enjoy these things. So here's the artwork for this month. And the artist is Gloria Plaza. Oh, now I got him right here. See, he's here. He's here. You know, cats, you gotta let them come around, right? Gloria Plaza did this really cute artwork, and we're gonna give Levi his little toy because this is the Crazy Cat Lady box and it comes with toys and stuff for us humans. And the first toy, Levi, look, it's this. And this is exactly what I feel about him. XOXO, I love him. Hugs and kisses. And this is a Katniss. It's sealed with a kiss, filled with catnippy bliss, worth $5.99. Here, buddy. Here. You want that? I think he likes it. Here. Take it. Take it. And the other toy is one of those fishing pole toys with the long string. And it's a Boppin Berry wand toy, also worth $5.99. And it has catnip in it, and these are a lot of fun. I'm gonna keep it in the package, so we have quite a few of these in the house, and I'm gonna gift this one. Sorry, buddy, you're not gonna get that one. Okay, this is really cute. We got a, just wanna make sure, Cat Moms Club Cat Lady Cat Mom travel mug. And wait till you see this little travel mug. It's very adorable. Here we go. Cat Moms Club. It is BPA free, 16 fluid ounces. It has a pop-off cap, so you can keep hot and cold drinks in here. It's really adorable. I love it. I'm always drinking in my car, or I'm drinking coffee all the time. Probably shouldn't, but I do. I love coffee, I love tea. So this is the first human toy, not a toy. First practical item in the box for us humans. Okay, and then we got some seriously good, serious cuteness right here. This is an alarm clock. Wait till you see it. Even if you don't use it as an alarm clock, isn't that adorable? And it works. It has the on and off switch. You can change the time and everything like that. You just have to put in one, I think AA. Yeah, you have to put in one AA battery. This is adorable. All their stuff is adorable. $16.99 for this, $10.99 for the mug. I forgot to tell you the price because they do give you all the pricing on everything. Then, something I love because it protects my feet from all these little critters around here. We got 2 pairs of socks, not one, but 2 Cat Mom socks. And they're athletic socks. They're worth 2-pack is $7.99. I think that's very reasonable value. And they're absolutely adorable. It says Catsy, and Cat Mom. Okay. Catsy. I don't know what Catsy is. It must be a cute way to say cat. But they're really cute socks, athletic socks, very practical. I like them a lot. Wait till you see this shirt. But by the way, this shirt, now I have an average American short hair cat, but This is my cat, right? That's my cat. Actually, Cat Lady people sent me this as a holiday gift. Check out this shirt. I think it's my favorite. Does that cat not look like Levi? Meow! It's so adorable. Look at this. Look at this. Right? Right? I see the resemblance. Where do you see Levi? Oh, he's in the box. He likes that box. Anyway, this is a medium. It says meow. I love this shirt. It's a great size for medium. They're nice and stretchy. They don't shrink. Because I was teetering between medium and large. Mediums are perfect for me. I love them. Sometimes I put them in the dryer. Sometimes I don't. I just hang them, and they've kept their shape for like over a year. So this is the beautiful shirt. Cute shirt. And I just want to show you something else. This has nothing to do with any of the boxes. But the Cat Lady Box people are so kind. It was Levi's birthday. He turned a year on April 7th, and they actually sent him a birthday card. And I thought that was so adorable. Thank you, CatLadyBox. I thought that was just very thoughtful and very sweet. And you guys are just a wonderful company to work with. I really appreciate the card, and of course I appreciate the box. And I'm glad to show you all. That's what I do on my channels. I do unboxings, I do craft process videos, and I do shorts. So that's it. That's my channel. All right, guys. Let me pick up Levi. We say bye-bye. Anybody? Say bye. Say, Mom, you're being a pain. This guy, he's looking for the next thing to hunt, aren't you? You looking for that next thing? Say bye-bye to the peoples. Bye-bye. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave the code if you want 20% off your box. Remember, this is the May 2025 box. It's gonna go fast because it is dynamite. I love it. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.